how to log in to Khan Academy. So if you want to log in or sign into your Khan Academy, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your application. Make sure that you've installed it. Now here on the middle of your screen, you will have the sign in section. Tap on sign in and it will take you to the browser. Now wait for a few seconds and then you can log in using your Google, Facebook, Apple, or your Microsoft as well. Or you can just scroll down a bit and then enter your email address. After entering your email, go with your password and then tap on login and you'll be logged into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can go with sign up, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to create an account. You can go with a learner, a teacher, or a parent and then create an account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then tap on login section, enter your email address and then your password and tap on login. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password right here and then reset your password. Enter your email address and then tap on reset password and you'll receive a mail to your email address. Just simply go and reset it, and after resetting, go and log back into your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.